Hello friends, welcome to poojascookery.com. Today let's prepare some crispy snack vegetable pockets. These pockets can be filled with veggies of your choice. You can serve them with tea or coffee. So let's look at the ingredients. Normally it is prepared using all-purpose flour, but I have taken 200 grams of wheat flour plus 50 grams of all-purpose flour for healthy pockets. You can also completely skip all-purpose flour. Instead take 250 grams of wheat flour. In the flour add yeast, milk powder, salt and sugar. Mix a bit. Now add little water at a time and start kneading. Knead till soft dough is formed. Cover with wet cloth and let it rest in warm place for around 30 minutes. Meantime, let's make the stuffing ready. Here I have taken one medium-sized boiled potato. Mash it roughly and add grated carrots. Now let's add some black pepper powder, chili flakes, sweet chili sauce and some salt. Mix well. Don't add too much salt because sauce already has salt in it. Now add a tablespoon of butter and mix. Let's check our dough now. It looks nicely risen. Add a teaspoon of oil and knead for few seconds. Let us now roll the dough. Sprinkle some dry flour on the surface and place the dough. Sprinkle dry flour on top of the dough and start rolling it using rolling pin. Try to give it a nice square shape so that it helps us to cut into square pockets. Once you get the thickness of about half a centimeter, start cutting it into square shapes using pizza cutter or even a knife. Let's place our stuffing now. Start by adding a teaspoon of Szechuan sauce in the center of each square. Place a tablespoon of veg stuffing over it. Now add a piece of cheese slice. You may also use any grated cheese. Fold the other half on top. Using a fork, gently press all the sides. Repeat for all the pockets. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Brush all the pockets with milk. Cover and let them rest for about 5 minutes. Now bake at 392 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the top crust turns out brown. Wow, they all look yum. Let's brush them all with some butter. Let me try one. Delicious. I bet you and your family would love them. Try them at home and let me know how they turned out, and do not forget to like and comment. For further yummy food, hit subscribe button. Thank you.